Made this decision because it is in the best interest of public safety.
Tonight, Hennepin County attorney is defending her decision to not prosecute a state worker who vandalized a half a dozen Teslas. Investigators arrested him last week after he caused some $20,000 worth of damage.
But Mary Moriarty says going after the suspect for felony charges doesn't make sense for anyone. Fox 9's Mike Manzoni is live in Minneapolis tonight. Mike, the police chief and a state lawmaker are blasting that decision.
And Kelsey and Randy, he says that his investigators are frustrated. Meanwhile, a Republican state lawmaker says the Hennepin County attorney is violating her oath.
What happened to those victims of those Teslas should not have happened.
She's talking about what you see in these videos. Minneapolis police say they show state worker Dylan Adams keying multiple Teslas, causing $20,000 worth of damage. But Adams won't face criminal charges.
The felony conviction destabilizes their lives. They may lose their job, lose their housing, and it can just lead to future criminal activity.
That's why Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty will pursue a diversion program for Adams, which includes social and mental health support, and try to force him to pay back the victims. But Republican State Representative Robbins says that's not the way to do it.
She's taken an oath to uphold the Constitution and the rule of law, and I'm very concerned that repeatedly she is not taking her oath seriously.
Minneapolis Police Chief OHara also blasted the move, saying in a statement, quote, "Our investigators are always frustrated when the cases they poured their hearts into are declined. In my experience, the victims in these cases often feel the same."
We seek to hold people accountable in a way that will be consistent with public safety.
And the Hennepin County attorney says charges are still possible if the vandalism were to continue. The suspect's attorney says his client regrets what he did. We're live in Minneapolis tonight. Mike Manzoni, Fox 9.
All right, thanks, Mike.